Zato što ponavljam isto je. Treba...
Ja, goed zo, hè?
Vad är det för Let's raise hands for the chicken or for the fish. Chicken.
Scalda. Scalda. Lasciala scalda. What about one for the end of here? No, but okay. I do know that inside the left no, that's not okay, though, I'm sorry. No, wow. Yeah? I think they, yeah, they probably have to.